half plus 3 1/4 plus 5 1/8 plus 7 1/16 plus 9 1/32 plus 11 1/64 plus 13 1/128 plus 15 1/256 plus 17 1/512 plus 19 1/1024.
Interesting. Okay. How are we going to approach this problem?
Well, we could do all the fractions added up. We could do all the fractions added up. We could add up all the fractions, then we could add up all the numbers.
Okay. That sounds like a good plan.
Then, so, we could look for a pattern in the fractions since, well, I remember we talked about infinite series and that the 1/2 plus a 4th plus an 8th plus a 16th plus a 32nd plus 1/64 plus 1/128 plus 1/256 plus 1/512 plus 1/1024 went on for infinity and it added up to 1 if you did it for infinity.
Okay.
So this is going to be really, really close to 1. Let's see if we can find a pattern. Well, 1/2 plus a 4th, that's, well, it's 2/4 plus 1/4 is 3/4. Then 3/4 plus an 8th is, what's 6/8 plus 1/8 is 7/8. So it looks like we're getting, if n is the denominator, we're getting n minus 1 at the top.
Okay.
So this will add up to 1023 over 1024.
Awesome.
And now we need to calculate the integers. So it's 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. Well, 19 plus 1 is 20. 17 plus 3 is 20. 15 plus 5 is 20. 13 plus 7 is 20. And 11 plus 9 is 20. So that's 20 times 5 is 100.
Okay.
So, and then it says express your answer as a mixed number. So that's going to be 100 and 1023 over 1024.
Very good. I noticed you did the integer sum differently than you did the fractions. The fractions you tried 1/2 plus a 4th, then 1/2 plus a 4th plus an 8th, and then you noticed a pattern. And with the integers, you grouped them first, last. How come you did them differently?
Well, I just looked at an easy way. We could try the pattern way.
Okay, yeah, actually that's a good idea. Try the pattern way with the integers and see if you see a pattern.
Well, let's see. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 plus 11 is 36.
So what numbers have you seen so far?
Square. I've seen the square numbers.
Okay. What was the pattern?
Well, it was 1, which is the 1 squared. 1 plus 3, that's 2 squared. And 1 plus 3 plus 5, that was 9, which is 3 squared.
Okay.
Then it continued. 9 plus 7, 16, that's 4 squared.
Good.
And then it would continue. All the way, well,
So what is it when you do the sum all the way to 19? How do you figure out what square that is?
well, let's see. Well, when we added up one number, it was 1 squared. When we did 2, it was 2 squared. So it might be 19 squared since we're at 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It might be 10 squared, which is 100.
Why would it be 10 squared?
Well, we're adding up 10 numbers.
Adding 10 numbers. Very good. That's great work, man.